Isuzu DMax. Diagnosis: intermittent, low RPM, and hard start. Select the vehicle type to scan fault code. No fault code. Fuel rail pressure, not stable. Fluctuating value, from 200 to 700 bar. When car is idling. Replace fuel filter assembly at engine bay. Must use genuine part. Remember to replace filter assembly, not just filter. As it is, consider pump. Press the hand primer until you feel significant resistance. When it comes hard to press, it means the fuel and air has been forced out. System is ready. Now to replace high pressure suction valve. Replace both O-rings. It may hard to start, it is normal. Replace fuel filter assembly and suction valve. This figure is what we need for the car. Around 300 bar. Now car back to normal. Done. Thank you for watching.